Hello, today I'm playing Minecraft Vanity Sour. Let's play here. Play with PC, oh my god. Oh, hi. Okay, it's steady. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm so good. Oh my god, I'm so good. I'm so good. What the heck? Oh, joy. Sorry. Hello, Mr. Steve. I'm Steve. Yay, let's go. Hi. Hello. Wait. Okay. I play Hype Skyward before, after this round. Oh no. Okay, now I'm using my new mouse. Let's go. Oh no, this keyboard. Get out of here. Now, let's put this one. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this mouse is doing this too. Yeah. Oh. What happened? Mouse. Okay. Let's do it. Playing. Oh no. Let's go back to the server. Okay, have Skyward. Oh my. Okay. Skyward. Let me get around here. Tekan. I hate this mouse. Why is so fast to move? If you want this small shop link description, I'm ordered to Amazon. Yay, this is my first hamburger video. Oh my god. It's not. I think I'm crazy now. Can you guys make the treasure pack for be like Grover BC custom treasure pack, please? Done, 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 dun, 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 dun. I'm so frustrated. I'm using zero to click. Okay. Oh shoot! Oh my god, glitch. It's glitch. Oh, hello Diamond. Oh, Diamond helmet. Oh, snowboard interval. Oh no! Oh no! I hate this mod. I can put. Stupid. I'm not used to this mouse. Oh. Why I'm checking mouse one back. Okay. This is 8. Okay. Play. Wait. Where my mouse cursor? Oh, here we go. Let's play Skanking Down. Yes. Green. Oh shoot! Oh, I'm so noob. Skygander. Oh god. Why am sneeze already? One. Oh, it's steady now. Hey girl. If you Hey Chess, are you finished to subscribe to my Grammar BT channel? If you subscribe me, I don't break you. What? If you don't subscribe me, I will break you. Yay, pro gamer. Hey, this is my diamond. What the heck? This guy is so stupid. Please ban this guy. I hate this guy. iron chest. Oh, here we go. Oh, neem one. Oh, here my stuff. Oh God. Oh. Wait! Oh, diamond sword. Let's go. I want let's go. Oh, nice shot. I hate this game. Let's play Creeper Skyward. Shoot. Dun. No auto clicker. I'm not using auto clicker. Okay. Wait, Skyward. Let's play Squid. Forward start. I like this healer. Okay. Playing with healer. Okay. I see one teammate. Oh. Nice item. Oh, freaking God. Oh, I can jump it. Ah, shoot. Why I'm lose every time? I hate this game. No, why I'm lose every time? Now let's play with healer again. Here's my one teammate. Two. Wait, where's the one? Another one. Agility clicker. I'm agility clicker. Okay. Wow, nice item. Oh, diamond sword. So good. Oh. If you guys don't know, I'm really new at bridge. Okay. Hard. Okay, sorry guys. Wait. Okay, sorry guys. See you in this video. Yes. Bye bye. Oh, hi. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, my mouse is got error. I can start my record. Thanks for watching my video. I can open my recorder though. Help. Uh, okay.